and welcome. Well, today I'm so excited to enjoy a tour, a work tour, a whole day with a special guest. Well, I love her smile. She's such a beautiful lady and a beautiful soul, I must say. You'll be amazed to see her. I'm so excited. Well, you are also excited, so come with me and I'll reveal her name. So let's go inside the car and go to that location and find out where is she, what's she doing, and let's capture her whole day schedule. Come on. Well, I'm so excited. So I'll tell my driver to start and we'll go and capture her very soon. Well, now I'm inside the car and going to go and talk to her, meet her, spend some quality time with her. Well, this is the place where she is getting ready. Well, it's, I think, some saloon. So let's go and find out and follow me. I'll tell my cameraman to come. Well, I'm here to actually meet my favorite, your favorite actors, and she's in a different avatar. She don't know that I'm going to attack on her. Well, I've not revealed her name, but see, let's close your eyes. Oh my God! Still waiting. Who? She's a beautiful girl. My favorite, your favorite, Seerat Kapoor.
Hi guys,
You have never seen her like this, getting ready. You have seen her always getting ready in movies and everywhere, events. Big events, you have seen her movies with big stars. She is a big star, but you have never seen her like this, right?
We haven't. I actually prefer myself like this. She's
a very simple girl, and thank you so much
to
see you. You're looking beautiful in this also.
Thank you.
Seriously, if you go like this also, it become a fashion.
Okay, done.
You're a fashion icon.
I love my fans, and I'm so grateful for the media who always keeps me connected to my fans, and to you who's always there on the go at this hour.
Because I wait for her, when I'm gonna meet her, because whenever she comes, she gives me good energies. I don't know. I just feel like I'm meeting my own people, She comes and then vibrations come. Arey Seerat, I usko pakadna hai mujhe. So I keep talking about her. Where is she? Where she's going?
How sweet, Neha. You're so fantastic, and you have woken me up this morning. I think we're all very, very charged, and we have a long day to go. So let's get started.
Yes, whole day, and I'm so excited. I have like my all pains, all tiredness has gone. I'm gonna enjoy this. I know that with you. So Seerat, first of all, this is a work tour. Come your day, whole day.
Yeah.
So morning, what time you got up?
I was up at 8 a.m.
Okay. Are you early riser?
I'm actually not an early riser, but of course around work there's so much excitement that on the contrary I actually don't get sleep as well, because I'm so charged. But I love it and I'm passionate about it, and who doesn't want to get onto the chair? I've heard a lot of complaints about people saying, oh my God, it takes so long, but I'm all enthused about this process, because I feel it's also a part of embracing yourself before you get started. And so this, I feel like, is my me time, and it's quiet, and I'm in this beautiful boutique by Ra, and with my fantastic team, Sonia and Sitara, who's going
Naam hi pyara hai, Sitara.
Yeah, and we're going to create this really
new
look.
But your look is every time different. You look everything. Western, I've seen you in traditional, sari, whatever you wear.
Yeah.
I mean, the way of carrying is always, very easy for you.
I have to say, I have always, since a very little girl, admired my mom, and she would have this process. She's retired now, but she was working with Air India as an air hostess.
Yes.
And we all know how hostesses have to be prim and proper.
Yes.
And unlike so many others, I'd actually, okay, I may not say that, but no, let me just say that my mom was very disciplined. So there were certain things like a certain nail polish color which was allowed, and no matter what gel polish came in or the trends came in, I'd always see her paint her nails in the pearl white, and she'd do this nice bun and take her time, and early mornings, I don't know how she'd do this, like the perfect eyeliner. So I'd just be in awe, and I'd be staring at my mom,
sweet.
and I'd say, oh my god, I hope I can grow up to be as beautiful and as elegant as her. So if anyone feels that, I think whatever little I am, it's just one part, like one little ratio of who my mom is. So yeah, I think I'm an extension of her, and
So
I got this from her.
For daughters, I know, we always admire our mothers, how they get ready. They are first role models of
they
our
really
life.
are our first inspiration
Exactly.
and our first visual to how we should be also treating ourselves. And sometimes, of course, we're told by words, but so much is observed just by who they are and how they carry themselves.
Exactly.
And I think I've just been born with this little observation skill that I've been told by many. So like I said, I mean, even when I'd walk in to school with her for open house day, I promise you, you guys are going crazy about me, but no one would look at me. They'd just be like, oh my God, her mother's so pretty.
That's why the
And
daughter
she
is
still is.
pretty. The genes
I
are
think it's-
there.
it's definitely
so
the
from
genes.
the childhood also you love, doing
I did.
makeup, admiring yourself.
Actually,
that.
I actually did not have the permission to wear too much makeup growing up, and I'm so grateful because everybody who does makeup, like Sonia would agree, and so many others say that my skin is flawless.
Yes.
And it is only because I didn't tamper with it growing up. I used to go to school with oiled hair, 2 plaits. It was a kajal because that was almost not visible. But this one time, my teacher found out and she's like, "You're wearing kajal to school." And I was punished and I was crying. I said, "Oh my God." Then moved on to blush. So the very natural looking things, I stepped into makeup a lot later. And I'm really happy because in the process, sometimes, growing up, the trends have started, the exposure started. So the young students want to have those layer cuts, and I saw fringes and bangs, and I was like, I want to do something like that. She's like, no, you will have blunt hair, you will have thick hair, which was really something that I'm grateful for, because especially in this field, you're constantly being styled.
Yes.
And I think I've kind of had the threshold to bear with all the heat on my hair, and my skin still not feel itchy or dry because of the lifestyle that I followed since I was very little. So for all you young girls, there is a time for this. Beauty comes later. Initially, I think all you want to do is vibe with yourself, get along, get dirty, play adventure, play sports, and really discover who you are growing up.
Great. So what are your 3 tips till you follow from your childhood till you're following? The fitness tip, your skin tip, secrets.
So I've actually believed that as much as there's so many products, I've not gone gaga trying out everything. I think it's very important to understand what works for you, right? So what I have always done is pulled out all the recipes from my granny's kitchen, which was like besan, haldi, nimbu. My mom would basically scrub me every weekend on Sunday. It was mandatory. Head to toe, there was besan all over me because it would detan you. It also would keep your skin nice and healthy and fresh. I would do that since a very young age, and I mean, of course, then you're wondering, oh my God, you have to sit like this and wait for like 10 minutes. And then I had a house help who would very nicely come and scrub me out. But I really, owe it all to her, because thanks to that journey, I have also learned how to take care of myself in much more chaotic and busier schedules.
Oh God. So now you're getting ready for the event.
Yes.
So I have already taken her a lot of time. More will be exploring her. So what's the
What's the look? Should we reveal it now?
I think we are all waiting. So I think there's some hair has to be done. Your makeup artist, I think she's been there with you for a long time, right?
She actually, if I can be honest, this is the second time Sonia is working on my face, but the first time she did it, and there was she just understood my features so well. Everyone knows that I don't need to go too heavy, because there's, I've always believed you only do spot correction and concealing. I don't use foundation. Sonia can come in and help you with, what she sees and how she elevates my features. But the idea is really to work around, you know, those prominent areas so you're not clouding your entire face and it looks clean. It's a day event, so we want to look fresh and light and just have a breezy time.
But what three things you always carry, Seerat? Like when you're traveling, you have a headache.
Sunscreen, definitely. I always have a lip balm because when you're constantly traveling on air, your skin gets really dry. In fact, I've received a tip from my mom. She would always tell me never go boarding a flight with open slippers, because what happens is two things. One, of course, the dryness because of the change of weather. Two is your feet actually get a little swollen also. So it's nice to kind of either have creams on and be hydrated. So by the time you're on the chair, it's kind of sunk in, and then the makeup kind of pulls in even stronger. So I've always believed it's your preparation first in terms of, you know, before makeup, it's my ritual. I always ice my face. And I feel like it just cleanses your skin. It also depuffs, you know, your previous night if you've had a late night, and we all know our schedules are so erratic, we can't really plan it. So this just sets my face right, and after that I don't have to touch it. That's just amazing.
Wow.
Yeah.
And your makeup, everything is being done, you know, because I don't want, you know, that time should be delayed, and we want to see on that. It's a traditional Western what? Or fusion? What exactly?
You're very, very wise like that. I don't know how you picked it up, because right now I'm looking like, what am I looking like? Ping pong?
Ping pong. No ping pong.
But yes, we are walking into a High Life exhibition, guys. You all know that's happening now. And we all love our masses and the culture that comes with it. So I just thought it would be really beautiful to turn up in half sari, which I haven't done in a while.
Oh my God.
And,
half sari. Telugu. That's a Telugu.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. And I think it's just so elegant. It's so easy to carry. We're also going a little creative with the hair. That I'm not going to really reveal to you. That's going to be a surprise. So stay tuned.
Oh my God. So many surprises today we have. So Seerat, is it like a very tiring when you just sit for long hours for a makeup or a role? How you prepare your mentally
actually, for me, like, this is the beginning to getting into the skin of the character, right? It's not just hair and makeup. Sometimes we undo it. Sometimes we have to add a little punch of an extra glam depending on the character that you're playing.
And going through scripts also.
Going through scripts simultaneously. So it's really a collaborative sort of an experience. And like I say, I mean, before my AD and my director team meets me, it is really my immediate staff that gets me ready and makes me feel, you know, ready for my shot every single time.
So what kind of jewelry lover you are?
I love oxidized jewelry. As much as they say diamonds are a woman's best friend, I don't know why I've always been attracted to gold.
Oh, gold girl. She's a gold girl.
I love a diamond though.
Worth increase every time. So your worth is increasing daily.
Oh, that's a nice way of looking at it. Yeah, that's true, guys. Just another tip. You must invest, and
in
you
gold.
Can, you get these gold coins. It's not too much. Any little
My next question was that only, her investment plan, and she's revealing.
Okay, fab. So that's what you want to do on a rainy day. You need a little cash. You have that gold coin, and you're sorted. So do that.
So you're a good investment planner, I think.
Well, I try to be. You know, I've not been a very mathematical student growing up. I was more drawn to literature, economics, you know, psychology and these kind of subjects. I've been told my math was a little cuckoo, but I figured it out. The idea of also learning all these subjects in school, right, is to understand where to utilize it as you're growing up. So it's not really just about your, you know, equation. It's how you utilize it into your daily so that your life gets a little easier and you're not worried about your next paycheck because you kind of secured yourself in some way.
That's a very serious matter. See how she invests her money also while doing great makeup, looking good, everything she managed, you know. So how many dresses you have if you have to count?
So many.
Costumes at your home?
Oh, so many. And I have to admit, despite having a wardrobe full of so many, I still get into my mom's closet because I find that she has kept clothes over the years, hand-picked pieces which are done by artisans, and there's a lot of value, right? Because we wear clothes and we feel great, but sometimes we may not study the detail of the outfit. And even when I'm picking out my outfit, as much as the color is very complimenting, I honestly always study the work on it, and that's my immediate go. Sometimes I see a great color, but if the work is not of my sensibility, I probably choose another one.
Oh, how much time you take to do a makeup yourself?
If you're not around sooner, but honestly, an hour and a half. I don't like to rush this time because anyways, after this, you know, we barely get to breathe. It's all on the go. There's also breakfast that happens along the way. I love my music and just zoning into myself and cutting all the chaos and noise around me only to connect with you guys. So this moment is important.
So you do shopping more of makeup products?
Actually, no. See, that's the advantage we have as actors, because most of our makeup is done by our teams and they come with these really huge kits. And kudos to everybody to carrying all of that, because you might be just dressed for one outfit in a day, but they carry so many options. Otherwise, I'm actually quite easy with my makeup. I don't go heavy. I don't use foundation to begin with. It's just a little bit of concealer on my under eyes. I like my eyes being popping because I've been told
I have... beautiful. They're highlighting.
I'm glad.
Yes.
Because you've come in like a little on time.
Yeah.
But a little before, I feel, you know, sometimes we compare our faces or features to each other. I've learned that my face, my proportions are such where my eyes can look a little smaller. So we really accentuate that pop there. And of course, everybody knows about the lips. So we kind of just play around with a little hydration there and just a tint of color. I think the smile says it all, guys. So it doesn't matter. Sometimes you can just be bare, carry yourself strong.
But first time when you were, you know, part of the Telugu cinema.
Yes.
And then you have to get ready, do everything. How nervous was you? Because the language, then, you know, getting a big project.
I was, I mean, I was all over the place mentally, although I came across like this very calm and composed. Nobody could tell what was going through inside except for my immediate team, who I would call at odd hours saying, can I please understand how to pronounce this word? And right from day one, Run Raja Run, we won the award, guys, 11 years later. I'm so happy for my team. But it was literally that support system where my director would sit and tell me, this is how you pronounce it. At one point, he said, why are you going through it so many times? Because eventually it does get dubbed. But I couldn't agree to do it in any other way, because I feel anyone can play that character. How do you differentiate yourself to somebody else playing that character unless you've not really sunk in your thinking into it? That can only happen if you know your material backwards, right? So I'd always be by-hearted like that, and of course also keep a little room for things to change, because that constantly happens on set. So I think the first film, and I had monologues on the first film, you know, so I think I got into the practice really soon of also understanding how a Telugu audience would say this word versus someone who doesn't belong. So it's that fine line, and I really wanted to maintain that, and I'm glad I did, because every time I practice that, I've only grown and been able to do something different each time with my character. Language is very important. I feel it's that one connection between you and the audiences, and one must have a grip on it regardless of what your native language is. It's the least you can do.
So we'll let now end up here and let she get her new look, and in that we'll talk more about it. So let's wait and watch. And that half sari, I'm waiting to see you.
You make me feel like a recipe right now. Let's wait and watch.
Really, I wanted to see her, and that we will catch about her memories, Indian cinema, because she been getting ready so much, you know, Indian outfits, Telugu outfits. She been doing that. So more updates. Keep watching, okay? So let's make her get ready. So we have to give her some time.